So I almost got the old fender off. It's coming along nice. Got a little problem with the bolt that's under the running board. The little clip that it screws down into broke, and it's just free spinning. I gotta figure out how to get that out. But it's almost off. I should be done with it hopefully next hour or so. And probably next weekend or tomorrow or whenever I'll get this side done. And I figure I'd just buy new fenders to get rid of all that stuff. It's starting to rust. I hate to see what's under here, but it's bubbling up right there. Then all around this edge right here is rusty. I probably could have sandblasted it and saved it, but that's all good. I got brand new fenders now, brand new metal. So I just figured I'd give you guys a little video real quick, show you what I'm up to on this Sunday afternoon. All right, peace.